The Clarke CMSSCS metal shrinker and stretcher set are an essential pair of tools for any metal worker. Sturdily built from steel, they each have a set of hardened steel dies and are designed to shrink or stretch a curve into the edge of a metal workpiece. The tools should be securely mounted either to a bench or floor-mounted grinder stand for stability. In use, the workpiece is inserted between the jaws and the lever pulled down to the stop. After releasing the lever, move the workpiece along a little and repeat the operation. Continue to repeat until you get to the end of the curve that you wish to create. The lever stop bolt can be adjusted to ensure consistent clamping pressure, thereby enabling smooth curves to be achieved. For a tighter curve, adjust the lever stop to enable a stronger crush, and then repeat the steps. Stretching and shrinking are both performed with the same method, the choice of tool determining which result will be achieved. The dies are easily removed for cleaning and safe storage by removing the die retainer and sliding the dies out from the main body. Supplied as a pair, the Clarke CMSSCS metal shrinker and stretcher will serve all your metal shrinking and stretching needs for many years to come.